So guys, as you can see, this looks like a box, but we are not going to, but we already done that video. So don't forget to subscribe, or if you want to subscribe, but for you to get more videos, you have to subscribe. The YouTubers, I don't get paid in YouTube, so subscribe or no subscribe is the same thing. So what do we see here? So guys, you just have to stop that tendency of viewing the the let's say if you are viewing a chat, you don't have to view a bigger chat that you cannot analyze. Only bite what you can chew. You don't have to just to just do like this and start doing like this and start doing like this. Like I know how you you beginners, you think you can just do like this. Beginners are going to do like this. This is how beginners do. They do like this and start thinking that because the market is here, that means it's going to sell. So mostly people. So let us show you how professional traders analyze, or how do they get these entries. So guys, people, they don't understand. They just really think that people must always be profitable. You don't always be profitable in any trade, but your 90% must be profitable. That is how it is. So guys, this is how we analyze the market. So before wasting too much further time, so ish guys, sometimes I tell you the rules, and as for me, I even still forget them. How can you tell people rules and still forget them? But what I know is that I forget, but I don't force. If I don't see a direction, I'm not going. Where if I don't see the direction, I'm not going. The market have to respect me. It doesn't just have to take me to bush direction and I just walk because I say I'm looking for money. It doesn't work like that. If I think like that, that means I was going to be working now, having a job. So the reason why I didn't even bother looking for a job is that I know what I'm doing. So guys, this is how you do it, as simple as this, just simple as this. So you can see that the market was creating a series of lower lows. This we call this lower lows, just because of, you can see that the market is not rising. You can see that the market is going down, and you can even see from here that the market is no longer going up because it's here, here, and here. This is a higher, higher than this one. This is higher than this one. So the market is now creating a lower low. It broke out this structure. So as for you guys, you know what's going to happen. Maybe the market can have to, but you know what can happen. But you can see that the market here is moving in lower lows series. So let me take back this candlestick. So the market is moving in lower lows. Let me just do like this because I can see that this is tracing us. Yeah, we just have to have these two. Yeah, these two are enough. So it's either we get here and yeah, just simple as this. So here this the market was moving in lower highs, up its lower highs, down its lower low. So you will just have to not forget. You'll just have to know what is lower lows and lower highs. That is very, very, very much important. So how to know the lower lows and lower highs? Lower lows break down was, yeah, this is a break. This is a break of structure, and then it's another break of structure. Another break of structure. It's another break of structure. Another break of structure. Guys, let me try to do this. Another break of structure. Let me try to do this. So guys, this is what I wanted to do. So I just want to know how to set this. I don't want it long like that. Hmm? I don't want it long like that. Guys, how do we? Guys, I'm trying to set this. If you know how to set it, you can just leave a comment. It's like I'm not going to. one. Ish. So guys, let's just say this is the market broke the descending channel upside. So this is a descending channel. If you have heard of a descending channel. So this case the market moved in lower lows. So someone will just have to look at here and say that the market is moving in higher highs, which is not correct. What you have to follow or what you have to understand is the pattern behind this technical analysis. They are just not just technical analysis just because of you heard of technical analysis and you just think that technical analysis are and you just think that technical analysis is just drawing lines without even knowing the meaning of that line. So we call these lines or these lines are in a descending channel, as I said back then. So guys, it's very much important to understand the market and to understand the rules. So what the market did here is this. Let me try to simplify it for you here. Because some people when they see these candlesticks, they just get scared and think that candlesticks are money. So they are losing money through candlesticks. Guys, candlesticks are not money. Money is money and risk management. So what happened there is that the market was from here and it did this. This is what the market did. This is what the market did here. So you people, you will just get confusing yourself with something that doesn't even have to confuse yourself, but you are almost confused. This is what the market did here. This is what the market did. This is what the market did. And remember guys, this is a 4-hour time frame. These are the bigger movements. You have to avoid these smaller time frames. The reason why it is smaller is that it doesn't have more valuable information in it. If it was having more valuable information in it, that means the market was not going to. This is what the market did. And break the structure. Mostly where there's a break of structure, you will find a a Z. Mostly you will find a Z. On that Z, connect that Z. This is how the market works. So after here, the market have to come after here. The market has to come back here on this dot. As simple as this. After here, the market will do what? It's not going. I think we made a mistake here. We made a mistake here. I will just grow it here. Just like this, but it's the same thing. What what matters most here, guys, is that if you can see, what matters most here is that the market didn't break this level. That is what matters most. The market break all those levels here. All these levels are now useless to the market. The market was supposed to come to this first and break this if it was going in a bullish trend. So it seems like the market is going in a bearish trend. So these are lower highs, because as you can see, these are lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. The difference between lower highs and lower lows is that lower highs is on top, lower low is on bottom. So on lower low it's on support, lower high it's on resistance. Lower low it's on demand, higher lower, just like that. But so you just have to understand. So these things are the same. They are not. So these things are the same. Like there's no much different.